Example 5. Using chords of circles theorems. AB equals 8, DE equals 8, and CD equals 5. Find CF. So let's go ahead and label all of the pieces of information that it gives us. AB equals 8. CD equals 5. That's already labeled. And then DE equals 8. Find CF. Well, we know that if AB is 8 and DE is 8, then the distance from here to here and from here to here must be exactly the same. We also know that CG bisects DE and CF bisects AF. So if the entire distance of DE is 8, then this little section here from hold on one second, my bad. From D to G is going to have to be half of 8, which is 4. So we know that this hypotenuse of this little teeny tiny right triangle is 5. We know that one of the legs is 4, and what we're looking for is this green leg right here. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find it. So we use Pythagorean theorem, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C is the hypotenuse, so it's 5. A is one of the legs, so we're going to call that 4. And then B is that green missing height, so we're going to call that B. Whoops, I put a plus instead of equals. Subtract 16 from both sides. And we get 9. Square root both sides, so 3 equals B. So now we can see that CG equals 3. Well, that doesn't give us CF, but we do know from our theorem on the previous slide that CG and CF are the same distance. So CF would have to also be 3. So we know that the measure of segment CF equals 3. Can never escape that Pythagorean theorem. You're always going to need it. It may seem like your enemy, but it actually is your friend.